Hello students and friends, you are welcome here. Today I will explain a very common mistake in mathematics, simplifying square roots of squares. At first glance, it looks easy, but the modulus of any number, that is the absolute value, changes everything. Most students see this type of question and think square and square root cancel each other, so they write this way, but this is wrong. Because square root of x square is not simple x, it is modulus of x. That means the result must be always non-negative. Now let's solve it correctly. And the correct answer is 2 root 3. Notice how the modulus changes the sign in the first term. We can take another example as well. And here also we find the modulus changes the first term. Because modulus always want the result must be positive. So if we derive a general formula, then we can simply find that the bigger square root wins always. If a is greater than b, the answer is 2 root a. And if b is greater than a, the answer is 2 root b. So friends, always remember, square root of x square is modulus of x. That's not simple x. And if it is modulus of x, then square root of x square is always positive. If you understand the concept, then try this challenge. Post your answer in comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more math tricks.